The Ouzoud Waterfalls are a popular destination for tourists visiting Morocco. Located in the Middle Atlas, it is accessible from Marrakech, Fez, or Casablanca, among other cities. Here's a review for future tourists. The Ouzoud Waterfalls are a series of spectacular cascades that extend over several levels and offer breathtaking views. You can admire them from different observation platforms or discover them on foot by taking the hiking trails that border them. Nature. The surrounding region is rich in nature and wildlife. You can observe Barbary macaques, birds, plants, and trees typical of Morocco. The landscapes are beautiful and offer a true immersion in nature. Activities. You can enjoy numerous activities at the Ouzoud Waterfalls, such as hiking, swimming in natural pools, boat rides, or visiting water mills. You can also discover the surrounding villages and local life. Atmosphere. The Ouzoud Waterfalls are a peaceful and tranquil place where you can recharge and relax in nature. You will find local restaurants and shops, as well as a warm and welcoming atmosphere. In conclusion, the Ouzoud Waterfalls are a must-visit destination for tourists who want to discover the nature and local life of Morocco. The spectacular waterfalls, rich fauna and flora, varied activities, and peaceful atmosphere make it a unique and memorable place. If you enjoyed this review, I invite you to check out my YouTube channel where you can find other tips and tricks for traveling to Morocco and other destinations. By following my channel, you can stay informed of new videos that I regularly post. Thank you for your trust and feel free to contact me if you have any further questions or if you need more information for your trip. Enjoy exploring the Ouzoud Waterfalls and all the wonders that Morocco has to offer.